काफी सारा हल्ला मचा हुआ है with lot of doubts in your mind regarding cryptocurrencies and taxability in India. For example, you might be thinking that whether we have to pay 30% tax in India, whether it is on sales, where do I have to show in my ITR all the crypto related transactions? Can I set it off against my any other income? Can I adjust or carry forward losses incurred for this year to the next subsequent years? So, hi guys, this is Bhavin here. Let us discuss. I am going to explain you all the crypto related queries in back to back 3 videos. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Simplifier. Make it easy. So guys, let's understand what is crypto world, and to understand basically about the crypto world, we must have primary knowledge about Web 3.0, 2 and 1.0. So up to 2004 तक का जो दौर चला था वो Web 1.0 का था। उसके बाद में 2.0 का दौर चल रहा है, वो अभी तक कंटिन्यू है। और जो वेब 2.0 में डेटा ड्रिवन वर्कआउट है और प्योर सेंट्रलाइज्ड है। जैसे बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां होती है, जो फ्लिपकार्ट है, अमेजोन है, उसके सीईओ के पास अभी डेटा है, तो आप जो भी गूगल पे सर्च करोगे, फॉर एग्जांपल आपने बर्गर या फ्रेंच फ्राइज सर्च किया, तो विद इन 10 to 20 मिनट्स आपके फेसबुक अकाउंट, गूगल अकाउंट, इंस्टा, एवरीवेयर इट विल स्टार्ट रिफ्लेक्टिंग रिलेटेड सर्चेज एंड एडवर्ट। सो हियर वी कैन कंसीडर दैट identity is being revealed by the data and not anonymity is survival. So before we understand that what is crypto world, we must have to understand two more concepts regarding centralization versus decentralization. And in centralization, aggregation of power is there and control of the underlying assets or value is with the CEO of the company. For example, आपका जो बैंक अकाउंट है, आपको लगता होगा that you are the owner of this particular bank account, but you are having the login ID, password, ATM card of your bank account. But if you will conduct any suspicious transaction on your bank account, then also bank can freeze as per RBI guidelines your bank account and ask for the clarification. So technically they are the legal owner, they can do anything what they want with your bank account. So we can consider it as a centralization and aggregated power with the bank in regard to your bank account. However, in crypto world, as the base technology which is being used behind development of cryptocurrency and behind the development of crypto technology is the blockchain technology, and decentralized is the fundamental principle of the blockchain technology. So here each nodes are interconnected and peer-to-peer connectivity is being established. That is why the decentralized concept has been survived, and control is being handled by the each members and nodes over here in crypto world. For example, Uniswap and MetaMask are two famous apps of decentralized cryptocurrency related transactions, and collection of smart contracts that you have series of smart contracts and all joined together and create an organization that is called DAO. DAO means decentralized autonomous system, and which is the base and centralized regulatory body for the crypto world. That is why government cannot interfere and levy the taxes on DAO. If they want to amend any regulations in the DAO, then 51% or more stakeholding must be gained by the government, which is not ideal, capable even, and government will not spend hard-earned taxpayers' money just to buy the cryptocurrencies, which is unstable and highly volatile. So government cannot interfere. I mean, Indian government cannot interfere in DAO, and even they are not preferring it. So it will not be levied on international exchanges any taxes if any Indian people is making any transactions in abroad. Even Indian government will not be aware about any such transactions. And by the way, we are not promoting any evasion or avoidance, but this is the loophole we are just representing in front of you. So this is the thing which is happening right now, all the crypto investors and traders. For example, technically, if decentralization exists and in crypto world, anonymity can be masked, anonymity exists, that is why the identity can be masked, and protocols are decentralized. So both are the two unique features of cryptocurrencies. And presently most of the investors even are preferring to route their money in India by opening one bank account in either Portugal, because on sale of transactions on sale transactions of cryptocurrencies in Portugal 0% tax is levied. So many of them are preferring to open one account in Portugal. They will take a sale consideration over there, and via ECB route or other ways they used to get money in India. So this is one of the loophole. For example, few people are also transferring their cryptocurrencies to USDT and USDT to USD, and through USD they are again getting money in India in their bank account. So these all are the loopholes people are presently using, but I must recommend that we have to follow all the regulations as a law-abiding citizen. VDA, Virtual Digital Assets, and NFT, Non-Fungible Tokens, both are classified under Section 247A of the Income Tax Act. Kindly note that cryptocurrencies are not a legal tender as well as currencies in India. With effect from 1st July 2022, lot of amendments came. Earlier, assessee was classified it as a investment or as a inventory if they are traders. And earlier, they were if they are traders, they were whatever the net profit and sale will be classified as a business income. And if the investment period is more than 2 years, then sale consideration less purchase cost and whatever, of course, indexation benefit was also assessee used to take, and whatever was the net gain or loss, accordingly it will be taxed as a 20% if there is gain. And then after, if the holding period is less than 2 years, then earlier the assessee was classified it as a short-term capital gain and it will be taxed as per your slab rate. But now, due to this amendment, the new charging section under section 115 BBH is applicable, and whatever will be your net gain, I repeat, it is not on the sale consideration, but whatever is your net gain after deducting your purchase cost, then you have to pay 30% tax, that is flat rate of tax, plus education cess is also applicable, and you have to show it as a special income in your ITR. And of course, TDS provision is also implemented under section 194S with effect from 1st July 2022. Whatever crypto related transactions will be occurred on your Indian exchanges, they have to comply for the TDS, that is for withholding tax compliances as well on each share transaction. For example, if you have sold Bitcoin worth of rupees 50,000, then at the rate of 1% TDS will be applicable. And of course, if you have not submitted PAN, then it will be TDS applicability will be on 20% as rate of tax. And there are some other things also, but that thing we will discuss elaborately in our subsequent video. And threshold limit for for the applicability of charging section as well as TDS section is, for the specified person it is 50,000, and for the non-specified person, which is company and firm and other such entities, 10,000 limit. So it's a very nominal amount. If you have because in crypto world 50,000 and 10,000 is nothing. So if you have done any transactions, then you must have to pay the taxes as per Indian Income Tax Act in India. In regard to each of your transactions, the whatever your exchanges is deducting TDS, that is a kind of advance tax, and you can see it in your 26 years, and even you can set it off if there is, you can get refund by mentioning in your income tax return if there is no profit on any of your previous transactions in crypto, then whole amount of deducted taxes under section 194S, you can show it as advance tax in the TDS column at the time of filing ITR, and you can get refund. And there is no permissible act to carry forward your losses to the subsequent assessment year. For example, you have incurred two transactions. For example, on the sale of Bitcoin, you made a profit of 5,000, and at the time of selling Ethereum, you have incurred losses of around 2,000 rupees. Then both these transactions will be intra-set off allowed, but you cannot set it off to the next year. So this is all about crypto taxes in India in brief. And if you have any further doubts, you can ask in the comment box. If you want detailed FAQs on TDS applicability of crypto, taxation impact on the transactions of free sample coins, airdropping coins, and what will be the taxation impact if you are going to receive payment consideration of consulting fees or something else transactions, as well as salaries in the cryptocurrency, and what are the taxation impact of mining of cryptocurrencies in India, then stay tuned, stay connected, and make viral this video. Also share with your friends and family with the concerned person, and I am for 1000 plus likes over this video so that we come up with more enthusiasm, detailed discussion and research for you with Crypto Series 2. Thank you.